Welcome back to the kitchen of Taste of Asian Food. I'm preparing the Malaysian style butter chicken now for our dinner, and at the same time I would like to share with you how I prepare it. Most of the people, when we talk about butter chicken, we always relate it to the Indian style butter chicken. But this butter chicken is a Malaysian style butter chicken. It's quite different from the Indian style in terms of the flavor, how to prepare it, and the taste. Let me show you what are the ingredients that is required. These are the ingredients that we need. This is a chicken thigh meat cut into chunks, which I will marinate the chicken with light soy sauce, black pepper, some cornstarch, and some salt. The rest will be the ingredients for the sauce for the butter chicken. Evaporated milk, that is an important ingredient for this recipe. Then we have curry leaves and a bird's eye chili. These three ingredients are very commonly used in Malaysian style cooking, and now you should understand why this recipe is special. I also separate some curry leaves apart so that I will use it in the last step as garnish. Then I have some cheese, some ground white pepper. As butter chicken, definitely we need butter. And the other three are some sugar. This is a Maggi seasoning and some garlic. Marinate the chicken with these ingredients: light soy sauce, some ground white pepper, salt, and some cornstarch. And for sure, if you do not want to use chicken thigh, you can use chicken breast meat. But chicken thigh is always my preference because it contains a higher percentage of fat. And therefore, it is more tender if you compare with breast meat. And even if you accidentally overcook the thigh meat, it will not get tough easily. Okay, set it aside. 15 minutes to half an hour should be okay because it's a small piece of the chicken. After marinate the chicken for about 20 to 30 minutes, now it's ready to stir fry. Heat some oil in the pan and then add the chicken. To stir fry the chicken, to stir fry is a better way than deep frying when we do it at home because it uses less oil and it is also healthier. But in a restaurant, deep frying is always the choice because it cooks evenly and it is a faster process. It is a quick process. I do not want to overcook the chicken. I want to keep the chicken tender. So once it's 80–90% cooked, I can remove it from the pan. Clean the pan, melt the butter. Gently saute the garlic, the bird's eye chili padi, and the curry leaves. Do it over low heat so that the garlic won't get burned, the butter won't get burned. And then add the evaporated milk. And now we can turn up the heat a little. Wait until it starts to return to a boil. Add the black pepper, some sugar. Most people will add some sugar, but if you don't, you can leave it out. Once it is boiling again, return the chicken and cook together with the sauce. Let it cook over low heat for about 2 minutes. By then the chicken should have already fully cooked and absorbed the flavor from the sauce. Let's taste it. That is exactly what I want. But I also would like to add one more ingredient, that is the Maggi seasoning. That is my secret ingredient. That is going to improve the flavor further. Maggi seasoning is another seasoning ingredient that is very popular among the Malaysian cuisine. Lastly, I want to add some cheese. I have some Parmesan cheese. Just a bit, not too much. I do not want to make it to become a cheese sauce. I just want to enhance the flavor. Okay, that's the butter chicken Malaysian style. If you haven't tried it before, I would strongly encourage you to try it. It is really something special. Because the ingredients used include chili padi, curry leaves, evaporated milk, Maggi seasoning. All these are very common ingredients used in Malaysian cooking. Look at the thick sauce that is condensed from the evaporated milk and some cheese. Very, very appetizing. And this sauce is not only good for chicken, but you can also use the same sauce for seafood such as squid, shrimp. Give it a try. It is a classic Malaysian dish. As usual, I will add the link to the full recipe in the description below these videos, and I will also add it to the end of these videos for reference. Thanks for watching. Let's try it out. Let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.